Hello friends, welcome to Market Analysis channel. I'll be analyzing some specific move on the crypto market today. I want you to pay attention to this analysis. Today I will be analyzing Daomaker. I will work my analysis from the big picture to the top-down analysis to the present moment, so you can have a feel of what has been going on and what's happening presently and how you can place your trade and make profit from Daomaker. Daomaker has been a very good performing crypto towards the beginning of the year, late last year to the beginning of this year. Daomaker bottom and it stays in a sideways market for extended period of time in the rectangular blue box. That was when it was in a sideways and it stays there for extended period of time. And suddenly, boom, we have this huge skyscraper volume, the blue volume at the end of January that came in. It really sent Daomaker to a strong rally. The rally pick up and it rise for extended period of time until it hit the top around mid-March. Let me zoom in so you can see the analysis very clearly. Okay, let me put this forward a little bit so you can see the whole thing on the chart. This is the huge skyscraper volume that occur. Note, whenever you see a huge volume and you see an upward closing bar, it's telling us that the professional traders are interested in such crypto and they are putting on their trade heavily. Then Daomaker rise up to its high till it hits a point of 2.01404. When Daomaker hit the high of that particular price, it comes down a little bit. It came back and it tested the 21-day exponential moving average. It's finding support around the moving averages. It hit the 50-day moving average. It came down a little bit below it, but it couldn't get to the 200-day moving average. That's an indication that the trend is strong and the enthusiasm for Daomaker is still on the upside. It's not crossing the red line to a bear territory. It's still staying in bull territory. It maintains its stand on the bullish side. Then the price keeps ranging and it finds its way above the moving averages. That shows it's still very strong. The strength is there and traders are pushing up, finding their way so another uptrend can resume. When it finds its way above, it's now testing the 50-day moving average line. And while testing the 50-day moving average line, we need a support from institutional traders. How? We need a huge volume, just like the one that happens here when it was breaking out towards ending of January. And we need an upward closing bar, a bar that will close in blue, not red. With such volume, it's telling us that the institution are putting on their orders and they have started loading position on Daomaker. When that price occur, that will be our entry price. Immediately the bar closes, we enter our trade at the next price, and the next thing we are going to do is we will wait for it to head to the high it has already made before it came down. That high is 2.01404. When it gets to that high, we will wait for it to rise above the high where I put the uptrend resumes line. Immediately Daomaker rises above this line, the uptrend will resume, and that will send Daomaker into an extended rally which will continue for extended period of time. Looking at the big picture, you can see Daomaker has a long way to rise. Immediately the price crosses the uptrend resume area, Daomaker will make a massive run, and from that particular price, which is around 2.0, it will rise to a peak of the previous high, which is around 6.40. That's a very huge rise for Daomaker. So if you are following this analysis, subscribe to the channel, add Daomaker to your watch list. This is a trading opportunity that you can benefit from Daomaker. If you have any question, like the video, post your question in the video comment section.